I'm about to spill the beans on a secret formula that skyrocketed our YouTube Shorts to 47 million views in just 30 days. You're not going to hear this anywhere else, so stick around because this could change everything for your channel. And hey, if this strategy gets you results, let me know in the comments. I want to celebrate those wins with you. Let's be real, you could just copy whatever trend is blowing up right now. You've seen those shorts, right? The ones where some hot chick whispers, a car brand name is in ASMR. Sure, you could just remix that for your niche, swap car brands with, I don't know, YouTube terms, and yeah, it might work for a bit. Here's the thing, it's not scalable. You're stuck chasing trends, constantly tweaking, brainstorming, hoping the algorithm throws you a bone. Let's face it, these trends, mostly entertainment, they don't teach much, they are hard to build trust with, and they don't last. My way, it's the opposite. I've got a repeatable, foolproof system for creating unlimited shorts that consistently hit recommendations. No guesswork, no trend hopping, just results. Let's break it down. The secret sauce for short success comes down to two metrics: view rate and retention. These are your golden tickets to dominating the algorithm. Nail these and you're in. Now for YouTube Shorts, the sweet spot for retention is around 40 to 45 seconds. Check this out. One short averages 44 seconds of watch time, 20 million views. Another 45 seconds watch time, 3.8 million views. See the pattern? Here's the trick. Make your shorts as close to 59 seconds as possible. Why? Let's do some quick math. If you're aiming for 75% retention in a 59-second video, that's about 44 seconds watched. Magic number achieved. But with a 30-second video, even a 75% retention doesn't cut. In our workflow, the shorts that always blow up are exactly 59 seconds every single time. Now let's talk view rate. This needs to be above 70%. That's it. Combine these two metrics, 75% retention, 59 seconds, and 70% plus view rate, and boom, you're practically guaranteed to hit recommendations. Don't believe me? Here's the data. Every top performing short we've made has hit these exact numbers. It's that simple. All right, so how do you actually boost your view rate? First, what is view rate? Simple. It's the percentage of people who don't swipe away from your short. YouTube doesn't spill the tea on exactly when a view gets counted, but let's be real. If they swipe past instantly, they didn't watch it. Your mission is to stop the swipe. Here's the first rule. Forget intros. You're not Eminem, so nobody cares about your "Hi, my name is" spiel. And yeah, drop the whole "welcome to my channel" thing, at least for shorts. The first 1 to 2 seconds of your video are like a thumbnail on steroids. That's your hook. So instead of wasting time, jump straight in with something bold, something shocking, something unexpected. Think of it this way. It's like writing a killer headline. You want symmetry, tension, or surprise. For example, don't say, "Xiaomi released a cool new phone." Instead, hit them with, "iPhone is now for broke people." Bam! Instant attention. Here's why that works. iPhone is a universal trigger word. Everyone knows it. You are flipping expectations. iPhones are expensive, but now you're calling them cheap? What? This double hook grabs attention with controversy and teases a follow-up punchline. And it's not just tech, this works across niches. Louis Vuitton bags are now for broke people. Bugatti is officially the cheapest car brand, or literally any luxury flipped upside down. The trick? Take what people think they know and twist it in a way they didn't see coming. That's the magic. Now, to make this work, lean into universal triggers. Drama, scandals, money, danger, life-changing events, stuff that hits everyone. Then repackage it with your niche spin. Here's the golden rule. Keep it simple. Your hook needs to be clear, relatable, and instant. No deep cuts, no inside jokes for die-hard fans. Pretend someone who's never heard of you is watching. If your hook isn't headline material that anyone can get in 2 to 3 seconds, you're losing them. So boom, you've nailed the view rate, but don't pop champagne just yet. Grabbing attention is just step 1. What comes next? All right, let's talk retention. How do you keep viewers seriously hooked through your entire video? No drop-offs, no skipping, just pure edge of their seat engagement. Here's one of our videos where only 35% of viewers dropped off. Not bad, right? But how do you push that even further? Step 1. Write a script. And no, I'm not talking about vague anchor points or some loose outline. Throw that in the trash. You need a fully fleshed out, word-for-word script. Think of it like producing a perfect mixtape. Every line a banger, every second critical. Here's the trick. No take should last longer than 10 seconds. Yeah, 10 seconds max. In long-form content, you might have a minute or two for a single idea. With shorts, you've got 10 seconds to make your point and move on. So if your video is 59 seconds, you're looking at 6 to 7 mini ideas. Each one should be its own little punchline, snappy, punchy, and fresh. Here's how we nailed this formula in one of our shorts that hit 20 million views. We kicked off with, this gadget is straight from the future, no one's even come close to replacing it. 8 seconds in, we pivoted to, let me tell you about this wild company. Then bam, another shift. Remember LG's rotating screen, total game changer. See the rhythm. Every 10 seconds, we're switching gears, keeping it fresh. It's like a mental reset for the viewer. And if you promise something big in your hook, like this phone humiliates the iPhone, you better land that punch by the end. Close the loop. Viewers hate being teased without payoff. Retention is about momentum. It's about delivering on the hype and keeping your audience in a ride where they are excited to see what's next. Do this right, and your retention rate will go through the roof. Right in the script, that's just a warm-up. The real magic, editing. And I'm not talking about basic cuts. We're talking full-blown brain rot mode, total visual overload. The moment your video starts, it's go time. Title flies in, phone spinning, by 2 seconds, bam, switch shots, and by 9 seconds, you've already hit 5 different clips. Let that sink in. Every 2 seconds, something new footage, new clip, new angle, new vibe. It's like an energy drink for your eyeballs. And it doesn't stop there. Every single moment on screen needs to pop. You mentioned Steve Jobs. Image slides in, mention a gadget, PNG of it, flying across the screen, subtitles. Oh, they're not just sitting there. They are shaking, they're bouncing, maybe even breakdancing. Here's the sauce. Sound effects. Every action on screen needs a matching sound. Title flies out, swoop, quick zoom, hit him with a camera click. Even the tiniest motion gets a sound cue. You're building a symphony of movement and sound, and nothing, I repeat, nothing stays static. If Tim Cook shows up, he's floating in, sliding across, maybe even doing a little shimmy. Subtitles, they're bouncing, shaking, or gliding. Every element on the screen has to move like it's alive. Here's why this works. You are creating a non-stop dopamine hit, snappy scripting, relentless editing, dynamic visuals and sound. It's the perfect storm. Viewers can't look away. They're locked in, glued to the screen, unable to blink. So yeah, subtlety, throw it out the window. The more energy, the better. When you over-edit, you're not just keeping people engaged, you're making your shorts unskippable. And that, my friend, is how you dominate retention. I know what you're thinking. This sounds overwhelming, but don't worry. We've got you covered. Our YouTube agency helped hundreds of channels not just break into the algorithm, but turn their channels into full-blown revenue machines. We've worked with real estate agents, psychologists, local businesses, you name it. Whether you're looking to rack up views or scale your business for YouTube, we handle everything. Scripts, thumbnails, hooks, even your camera and lighting setup. Want to feel as comfortable on camera as I do right now? We'll make it happen. Every short we've produced has hit at least 130,000 views. So if you're serious about taking your channel to the next level, click the link in the description. And now back to the strategy. Let's dive into the real numbers. Remember the gadget channel we talked about? Here's the data. 4.4 million, 4.7 million, 3.8 million, 2.5 million, 8 and 6 million, 4.7 million, 20 million. Oh, and 314,000. Yeah, okay, that one tanked. But after that, we're back to 10 million, 6 million, 2.4 million, 1.5 million, and then 250,000, another flop. But here's the thing, not a single total dud. And you don't even need to create new content for your shorts. You can literally repurpose your long form videos. Take the juiciest bits of clickbait, boil it down, and voila, instant short. For example, my team turned a long-form video about how much YouTube paid me for 500 million views into a short. How'd it do? 4.2 million views with a 75.8% retention rate. That's insane. So here's the formula. Find the trigger moment, part of your long-form content people can't resist. trim it down to a punchy 59 seconds, add a killer hook, relentless pacing, and tight edits. One time we took a video about earning $58,000 from 14 million views, and we layered in a second hook. How much did I earn in total? Viewers stuck around to find out. The short crushed it. 37,000 views compared to the long form's 28,000. But that long form video racked up over 2,500 hours of watch time. It's simple. Repurpose, reframe, and let it rip. That's how you turn long form content into a shorts goldmine. And if you don't want to do it yourself, well, you know where to find us. Let's talk monetizing shorts. Selling directly through shorts, well, tricky. You don't have enough time to build trust or close a sale in under a minute. You can use shorts to drive traffic. Here's how. Add a call to action like, want to see the full breakdown? Check out our main video. And boom, that's your funnel. Think of it this way. While everyone else is building funnels in Instagram stories or highlights, you are building yours directly on YouTube. Take viewers from shorts to your long-form content where they are primed for branded integration, product offers, or even services. This turns engagement into conversions. So try this strategy yourself and let me know in the comments how it works for you. But I've got a strong feeling you will be hooked after hitting the first million views. And yeah, if you want to scale your channel even faster or just need some expert help, click the link in the description. My team and I will take care of the rest. Let's get you there.